की जुदाई भी है आती. It's a famous song by Muhammad Rafi which implies that every time we meet with somebody, that very moment it is just time to part at one or the other moment in life. So, spontaneous overflow of powerful emotions. Technical definition of poetry. Sorry. There has been a lot many to say, but foremost to all, I would like to quote Nida Fazli. कौन सी बात ने किस शख्स का दिल तोड़ दिया, कौन सी बात ने किस शख्स का दिल तोड़ दिया, ये बोलने वाले को एहसास कहाँ होता है. There has been a journey of 2 years, and in my over enthusiasm maybe, or maybe over dedication, I might have hurt somebody, some of you, in unnecessarily trying to be strong, strict, which I am not to any bit. So for that I would like to apologize from the core of my heart to all the seniors, the beloved seniors of MSW first batch 2015-17. One of my teachers used to say that as a teacher, the most sustainable and the best thing that you can give to your students is motivation. And if I have been able to motivate you, no matter for one thing or even point one thing in your life, that will be my success as a teacher. And I can proudly say that definitely, while attending your classes as a teacher, I was getting feedback all the time. And that was the impact of the positive feedback only, that I could continue for hours and hours without being aware that I have not consumed my lunch, my dinner, day before. Not for that very day, but even day before. So, there have been many things each one of you has shared. I shared with my senior students in the last interaction yesterday also that the fresh batch we ourselves have selected each one of you, and with a view that yes, we will be selecting a better batch. But when we are here to give a farewell, to spend 2 complete years with the seniors, the first batch, I can proudly say that this was the best lot we have had till date. The level of maturity and the specificity that each one of you shared, it's just amazing. I have seen, as a research scholar, I used to contribute in Delhi School of Social Work for the lectures, and I have seen batches after batches in 2-3 years. There were 120 students in one batch, and they were very confident, very eloquent in their own way. But the uniqueness I can observe in each one of you is just marvelous. Right from Mr. Parent to Ms. Sarkar, Mr. Ramjuk to Yadav Singh, Binu, Vinita, Gitanjali, Tai, Suzy, and whatnot. Means each one of you, we share a special bond, a special understanding. Tanya and Sange are not here. I wish they too would have been here, because they also are the first batch we would always cherish. And as KP sir and ma'am has also spoken, you are going to be the brand ambassadors of this department. Anywhere and everywhere you will go, you will be representing who we are, how we have tried to groom you. Every day, every lecture, in fact, every moment we have been thinking about you to how to prepare best to face the struggles in your upcoming life. So, might be we have not been that much justified in our approach as a human being. Maybe we got very strict, but nonetheless, it's not the end, it's just the beginning of a new journey. The only thing which will be missing from now onwards is that long lectures with you. I will be missing many faces, as KP sir told, some of you looking like they are not getting anything, some of you looking like they are understanding everything but still they are not able to figure out. But there was one thing which was common, which I can particularly say in my classes because I have been direct witness to that. A sense of appreciation and a sense of interest, which unfortunately I find missing in the current semester, second semester student, but still you have time and you can go. But this batch was special, the kind of attention, the kind of sincerity I used to visit in their eyes, it's just amazing. And I wish they continue it in their lives forever. Because no matter whatever you do, no one is perfect. Neither me nor KP sir nor even the Vice Chancellor of the university will be perfect. But the thing is, whatever you do with full interest and dedication, and that is the biggest reward of the moment. To say the least, many of you, in fact, मुझे बहुत बदनाम किया तामी के लिए फेवरेट होने का. I do favoritism, and I was just taking in a lighter sense minutes before कि अगर तामी लड़की होता तो मुझे तो यही बदनाम कर देता. But thankfully I have a madam outstation and तामी is वो केपी सर के निर्माण की प्रक्रिया था. Because he was my immediate junior, so I am sure कुछ निर्माण की प्रक्रिया शायद यहाँ भी चले या शुरुआत हो. We will always be hopeful. And in fact, the beauty is that it's केपी सर को शायद पता ना हो, दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ सोशल वर्क का जो अभी सबसे पुराना प्रोफेसर है संजय भट्ट, उन्होंने भी अपनी इमीडिएट जूनियर से शादी किया. The first batch जो दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ सोशल वर्क से पास हुआ, K.R. Narayanan and all they were pass out. Usha Narayanan and K.R. Narayanan, once the president of India, they were also batchmates and then later they got married. So ये प्यार प्रसंग ये निर्माण की प्रक्रिया, as per KP sir, it's inevitable because we are so called over emotionally involved. With due apology to Lovan ma'am, emotional involvement, and that's how दिल में इतना दुख है. When you get involved with anybody or anything, na, that is the first seed to have pain in life. So direct फंडा है, simple फंडा है. अगर दुख नहीं चाहिए तो involve मत हो. But if there is a manufacturing defect like me, if you get involved with things, तो दुख रहेगा. You can't help. But the best part is that you will be very genuine and honest in your life. That is your sort of guarantee. Okay? So, not taking much time, I would just like to conclude with few words, 4 sentences which I had read somewhere.
Thank you.
सितारों को आंखों में महफूज कर लो, सितारों को आंखों में महफूज कर लो, बड़ी देर तक रात ही रात होगी. मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात हो.